I was excited to try these earplugs that Curve sent to me for a better sleep. They come with an aluminum case that provides different sizes of ear tips for a comfortable fit. I really liked that the case clip comes with 2 different sizes of spring clips, so you can attach them to whatever you need. The earplugs fit nicely into the aluminum case, and it's really easy to take that case on and off of the clip that's provided. Curved also has a lanyard which is sold separately, but is great when you're traveling. I found this easy to use. You simply take the ear tip off of the earplug, attach the lanyard, and then reattach the tip to the earplug. And if you're anything like me and you lose everything, I would suggest getting the lanyard. The material is really soft and they fit comfortably in my ear. Most importantly, I don't hear anything when I'm wearing them. I have been enjoying these earplugs and I love all the beautiful colors that they come in.